Here's your game, everybody. Anytime Ian streams jump cut, you're gonna take a shot.
Start off right. Jump cut!
Welcome to Combat Cocktails. Derek and No. I pointed at you, said Derek.
Jump cut!
I mean, wow, it's like you've been drinking juice of the elder toad. Oh no. There's a knife over there, too. He's new.
There's a blooper reel right there. Just hit myself in the face with it.
So here's the recipe breakdown of the Scorpius Reef. No jump cuts!
You would drink that?
Probably more.
You would drink that whole thing.
Oh yeah, no problem.
My bullshit meter just went boom, 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 boom.
Wow, this is. Wow, this is. It's like.
It's doing a Stevie Wonder impression.
There you go. Jen's got it. You mentioned the coupon code.
Like 13 seconds ago.
Okay. Let's check it. Jump cut!
We use milliliters for things that we can't talk about in public.
Holy crap. Nice save.
It's cool. It's cool. No big deal.
It was like you had a basketball in your hand and you were just bouncing it.
I totally wanted to say something about the fact that I broke that bourbon bottle. And shit. You're just being like me. But I dropped the ball. I was like just so fucking surprised.
This is totally a blooper night.
Alright. So what are you gonna do in a shaker?
Jump cut!
So you're gonna muddle a lemon
Jump
with
cut
simple
the bad
syrup.
memories away.
Yeah, you can't do that.
Hold it in, girl.
Stop, you've done yours.
Or you're gonna have some buttery nipples. Ah!
Oh, well, let's just break it down. Like and subscribe to the show. So now you're like, this is the craziest shit I have ever seen. So you're gonna click like on YouTube's. You're gonna click subscribe because you never know when crap like this is gonna happen again.
And until it happens again, you'll just be disappointed the next week. Learn to live with disappointment. It's
Way to sell it.
Hey, you gotta temper expectations. You just can't keep raising the bar. Eventually you hit a ceiling. I think that's normal.
I think it's
to
normal.
To like this, we don't have a bag. Here, hold this.
No.
Okay.
Throw it in here.
Jump cut!
What do you need?
A measure.
Oh my god, don't use that. What are you doing?
What does it? Well, fuck that. We don't need that. I'm just gonna free pour.
It tastes like
These are getting foggy. I can't do it anymore.
because you're getting warm. Oh, he couldn't make the entire episode, people. That's what his eyes look
There's
like.
no ventilation in these glasses.
I forgot all my stuff again.
Jump cut!
It's got the rye flavor a little bit,
You can do it.
Yeah.
It's all good.
a little herbal, but it's got that. You could smell the
So good.
smoke, right?
Yeah. So good. When it hits your lips, it's so good.
Yeah, fucking. I just make
Make
it
some
right in
fuzzy
this.
navels for your mother-in-law. She'll love you.
That's what I'm saying.
That's one way to get in your mother-in-law's panties.
What? Wow, you just took it there, huh?
I did. It's been a while since I took anything anywhere, so I figured I'd take that there.
Just go all the way.
It's okay, Mike. You can binge watch us anytime you want.
Everybody can binge watch. Binge.
Jump cut.
You drank it? You don't like that?
No, it's good.
That stuff's like.
It's delicious. I just didn't want it right
It's
now.
like drinking sex.
It's like drinking sex. I'll try some.
Yeah.
Dan's like, I'm in. I'm in. There's no pink parts that come in this color. Valentine's Day is supposed to be the color of your genitals. I don't know. I just really want to say genitals.
Then I need to find something tan.
No, we're not drunk. It's just funny.
Just a little pink. Yeah. If you want to make something with hypnotic, my suggestion is to just open it and pour it down the drain. My head shave.
No, you're not. You know.
How many Derricks does it take to make one of Ian?
Dos.
3.
What?
How much do you weigh?
Stop fat shaming me. How much do you weigh?
I weigh 157.
So I weigh 450 pounds?
Okay,
470
so I didn't do the math right. Unintentional fat shaming.
Derek likes that, I think.
Wow. So that has to make the outtakes, Derek, when you're editing. That should go into the 2018 outtakes.
Yeah, just note to self, jump cut over the reminder. I'll use it.
Yeah, he has to think through just saying prepositions and shit.
I'm like a sloth, only really, really big.
10. If you need more than 10 servings, see your physician.
Your physician?
I said a lot of words there. It's like I can't get all of them right.
If you need more than 10 servings, see your sponsor. I don't know. I feel a little offended.
Sorry, we have some live stream complaints.
Sorry, yeah. Sorry. Jump cut.
Like you get that the allspice and it's a lot of flavor.
Dan doesn't like it.
It's a lot.
There's a lot of flavor in there.
There's a lot of stuff going on in there. It's not tart at all.
Hey, Derrick, jump cut right here. From here to here, jump.
No jump cuts.
It's not bad.
It's
I love it. Your face, and then Ian, who we're expecting to be like,
like,
this is the
no,
fucking awful.
It's not like strong or anything.
And it's like,
it is going.
oh, that's awesome! It has that malty flavor to it.
Something, I don't know, something doesn't taste. Taste that again. It like hurts my face when I drink it.
I don't know what's wrong with you. You'll drink like that smoky shit, and you'll be like, oh, that's
The
pretty
pineapple, that's
good. And you're like, oh my god, it's fucking wrong. I don't know what's wrong with you.
I don't know what 34 is. Ah! Son of a gun! Why do you even have to keep your hand in your pocket so casually? You're just gonna sit there and let that happen?
You whine like a little girl.
Why, dude, you fall to the ground and roll around!
No, I don't. Never seen
You're like
that
Winnie the
happen.
Pooh when you get hit. This is Balrog and I'm Gandalf. You know what I'm saying?
Oh yeah, I know what you're saying.
I can fucking come back and now I'm fucking Derrick the White.
It's like
That's not
you're
racist
Kirk
at
and
all.
Khan.
Yeah, what? No.
Kirk
yes.
and Khan.
Yeah, I'm like a fucking genetically modified fucking super being. Or am I supposed to be Kirk?
Ah, so Kirk's a good guy, remember? Just fart. What was that sound?
Was that you?
No, that was you. It sounded like you squeaked one out.
Yeah.
Jump cut!
The wine is dry, the syrup is sweet, so it plays this funny little... Are you doing shots of syrup?
Oh, that's good.
'Tis the season, motherfucker.
No, but you don't understand. When there's fucking weird squeaky sounds, that
You
means
heard it, right?
shit's gonna break. Like, that's not normal.
I thought it was weird. I thought it came out of your butt.
No, but I heard it too. It was like a little, like somebody stepped on a mouse. Anyway,
It was like somebody farted, right?
I don't know what that was, but now something's breaking is all I know. Because this doesn't end. Wait till we get to the fog cutter. Like, these original
Oh, we're still
recipes-
going?
Oh yeah, this is not...
Shit.
Is this your first time on the show?
Weird.
Weird.
Thanks for the introduction.
Well,
I guess you're quite the snub.
I guess so.
If you watched College Week, when...
Well, those are just shitty drinks. There's a difference between being a snob and having a modicum of taste.
I agree with you.
I know,
agree with that.
I'm on your side on that. This is like a train, like, punching you in the face.
Like,
With
that's
its
gonna
train
like
hands.
lay your shit
You
out.
love the train, don't you?
Woo woo boom! Wanna do a 5 now?
Yeah, let's do it right now.
What? Why do you always have to do that? This is
You gotta take a better pull off that.
This is a big boy drink. Like,
Yeah.
it.
Wow.
The dangerous
Professional level.
part is it gets easier as you sip, and that's where things get scary because
That gets easier as you sip it?
Yeah. You know?
Have a few more sips.
Yeah, I don't know. I mean, I've taken
I'll make you another
few
one.
sips.
I think I'm getting dizzy. It does ramp up a little bit, but it's not too bad.
It's what I thought it was gonna be. It's not bad. At first you're like, oh, you know, you get the tomato, but you have some little strange sweetness.
It's a strong, vibrant little number. I probably left out.
I don't know if it's ever been described as a strong, vibrant little number. I think some.
Well, Ian,
I think some
Derrick has.
some dresses have been called that.
You can use it. It popped up.
Put it in there and jump cut.
So over there, you can watch all the videos on there and learn everything you need to know about cocktails.
Oh, Jesus.
What happened?
Did you read the comments?
Down below,
That was
bartender
free.
starter kit. I'll figure out what just happened in post.
Damn it.
That's it.
I didn't read that one.
We're teaching you how to drink.